Hola, I'm Lissie, Research Associate at the Offshore Logistics Group. I joined Fraunhofer IWES right after finishing my international master's studies with focus in offshore renewable energy. Now I'm responsible for the weather and project risk assessment during the installation phase of offshore wind farms, as well as for their cost modeling. What I really like from my work is that even though I spend most of my time in the office, no 2 days are the same. I can create my own ideas and do research about them, and I can always turn to my team for support and collaboration. I also really like that the development of this research has an influence on the industry, and this is helping to get a more sustainable world. The variety of my job also allows me to develop my professional skills, and going to trainings and conferences is a good place to increase my network. I would like to say to women in STEM, keep it up. Keep doing what you love, keep overcoming challenges, and keep inspiring future generations. Working at IWES has shown me that women are already part of the engineering field. The Institute is full of talented women doing what they love and with the tools necessary to pursue their careers. Finally, I would like to say that it's not only about gender, but also about diversity. For example, in our team, we keep switching between languages, and there is always an interesting exchange of cultures.